What's up, YouTube fam? It's Dark Angel's Journey, and I am Shakira. Well, it is Tuesday, and the daily candle's basically not really gone anywhere. Not really all that strange, given, the huge expansion the day before. Sometimes we do like to, have a day of nothingness and then the next day expand again. But first, as always, let's check the news. So it's Tuesday, March 24th. Uh, no 8:30 news, but we do have the flash PMI at 9:45 and then orange folder at 10. So for me, I would just be waiting until 10 o'clock regardless. Let's head back to the charts. The bearish areas of interest are still down here. We haven't moved from yesterday, so nothing new to report there. Zoom in a little bit more. Only thing of interest I would add to this is for like an upward target. I'm still very bearish because this is all very bearish, straight up. Let me clean this up. I just need the 50%. So I'm just looking for the 50% of the wick so that I can note that right there. Perfect. Okay, let's take this off. And let's just note daily 0.5 wick. Lately, I've been like really, really tired, like constantly tired. I took a iron pill this morning. All right. And you know what? I don't really care too much about this week. It's already been fully engulfed. This one has not been. So let's see. I'm mainly more interested in the downside. If we get anything, let's drop to the 4-hour. Okay, so yesterday we had that insanely bullish candle pre-market, swept all these highs, dropped, and then just sort of consolidated, which is what I was expecting after that big move. It's a pity because if it had given me any sort of like proper sweep and then drop, I was actually looking for a short, but I closed the charts after 11, and then pretty soon after that, it started just dumping. It didn't really give us any chance to get in there. So for a continuation down, I would absolutely love for like a quick sweep up, maybe tap the midpoint of the wick here and take this and this out, and then a nice strong move down. And I'd race it to the extreme here, or at least the base to fill the gap, the fair value gap here. Let's get the 1-hour. So same thing, we're still just kind of sitting. We have a small little fair value gap in here on the 1-hour that we've been respecting. Hate putting too many of these things on here, but so I'll leave that be. But as I mentioned, I would not mind a quick sweep up and a very aggressive rejection, and then we could reach into these areas down here. Sorry guys, I apologize. Been tired and it's a little cold. They're doing that like energy saving thing. I'm about to say F it and just turn my heat back up. So we haven't really gone anywhere since that initial drop and then a little sweep here, and now we're just back in this like tiny little range, sort of. Honestly, until the news comes out and the market shows its hand, there's not much for us to do. We're just kind of ranging. We needed to get out of the range and, do it aggressively like we saw them do here. They swept it, very aggressive move down. You're looking for more downside. We had all of this. This was too close, but all of these lows to aim for, and they destroyed them. So in this case, we're doing a similar thing. I would need to see some aggressive moves up, and then potentially longs might be in play again. For that, I would need to see some sweep of liquidity and then a very aggressive move back up, big wick in that direction to tell me that it wants to, like, continue back up. But for now, we're kind of in a holding pattern, just for price to tell us what it wants us to do. So those are my requirements. I need some sweep of liquidity for shorts. I need them to pop up, sweep this, and then just reject that candle, nice big wick with it if I can get it. And then for longs, where's London? London lows are somewhere around here. I'd love for them to sweep them and, sweep them out and then aggressive push that way if they want to go long. For now, I'm going to sit on my hands until I get more information. And that's my plan. What's yours? All right. Have a good day. Be safe. Shakira out.